What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Today, guys, we're here for another winner on the 618 Fibonacci. Absolutely amazing winner here, guys. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. We have a few giveaways planned for the rest of the week, guys. Here, let me just make this a little bit bigger, and we're going to walk you through everything step by step, all right? So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let me go ahead and get the P&L on the day, and I'm going to walk you guys through this. All right, so here we go. Let me find the P&L. All right, so right here, guys, I'm going to post this. Boom. All right, guys, so today made a little bit over $1,680, and I'm going to walk you through this step by step and just give you the basics on the fibs. Okay. All right. So the first thing we have to do, guys, is let's stop for a second and let's talk about risk to reward. All right. So yesterday, my friends, we made $1,212. And today we made $1,687. Okay. So we're going to stop for a second. And the most important thing about this stream, guys, is going to come down to this, okay? So let's say on average here, guys, we made about $3,000 in 2 days, okay? So if we're risking $400 a trade, what's our risk to reward? Does anybody know that answer? Okay. If we're risking $400 a trade and we made $3,000 in the last 2 days, what's our risk to reward? So the most important thing here, guys, is listen to me. The people that are here today are not the people that want to get rich overnight. The people that are here today listening to me are the people that are here because they believe in the power of the Fibonacci. They believe in the power of risk to reward. Okay. So let's go back here. All right. $3,000 in the last 2 days. We're risking about $400. Okay. So we're looking at what? 3.5 times our money, 4 times our money. Okay. So let's just say we're risking $500 and we made 3,000. Okay. So we got 500, 1,000, 1,500, 253. So 6 times. Okay. So we're making more than 6 times our money in these last 2 trades. We're actually making 7 times our money in the last 2 days. So let's ask this question. If we made 7 times our money in the last 2 days, how many trades can we lose in the future with these 7 times winner, guys? So we made 7 times. How many more trades can we lose to break even? $6.20 is the commissions that I pay with Interactive Brokers, which is very cheap, actually. So think about it like this, guys. In the last 2 days, I've given myself 7 more days. 7 more days to be alive. Because I can lose 7 more days in a row and still make a profit. Hit me with the 5 if that makes sense. So what you need to understand, guys, I don't care what you trade. You can trade anything you want to trade, whether or not you want to join the Fibonacci army, whether or not you believe in the principles of the Fibonacci, that's totally on you. But if you can't come up to me and say, Rich, this is my risk to reward, then you're not taking this seriously. Okay? And all that I want to do here, guys, look, you guys know my viewers are not the same like they used to be in terms of numbers and whatever, but I do this from the bottom of my heart because when you can understand the math, then trading becomes simple because trading is a mathematical game. When you go into a trade, there's only 2 directions. You can go up or you can go down. So the question is this, like me today, if you're going to short, how much you're going to make. So today on the short, $1,687.60, I made 4 times my money. Okay, I made actually a little bit more than 4 times my money. So this one trade allowed me to be profitable for the whole week because I made one trade, I made 4 times my money. So that's, and if I lose the other 4 days of the week, I'll still break even. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. Okay. So every single thing is going to come down to the math. And if you don't appreciate math, then you're not going to be able to succeed in trading because math is the law. Okay. 1 + 1 = 2. That's the math. That's the law. And in Fibonacci and in day trading, it always comes down to your risk to reward. And if you don't know that number, guys, you need to learn it. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead here, my friends, and let's walk through this trade. So we're going to go ahead here and we're going to hit the replay today. So here is my book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. If you don't have this book here, guys, you're wasting time because this is a documentation. This is a guide on my trades, my real trades with my hard-earned. Guys, you could learn a lot from reading this book. So let's go ahead and let's dig into this. So the first thing you want to do every single day is you want to wait at least 10 minutes after the open before entering a trade. You want to identify the dominant direction, and then you want to draw the 618 Fibonacci from that direction, and you want to take the 618 Fibonacci in the dominant direction of the morning. So here we go right here. Okay. So we're going to go here. Let's hit the replay. Boom. So here is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Is there a direction here? Hit me with the 1 if you see a direction. Hit me with the 2 if you don't. Is there a direction here on this block? So the answer here, guys, is there's no direction. There's no clear because we're going sideways. We opened here and we're here right now. So we opened at 417. We're right here at 416.90. So obviously there's no direction. So what do we do from here? Bang. Press again. Bang, bang, bang. There we go. So right here, my friends, now we have a clear direction. Is this bearish, bullish? Hit me with the 1 for bearish, hit me with 2 for bullish. What direction is this right now, my friends? This is bearish. It's very simple to see that. We have a high up here and we have a low that's pushing down. Okay, what the hell is that? So let me go ahead and find the arrow. There's our high, there's our low. And I want you to write this down on a piece of paper if you have the ability. But in trading, we need to have a non-subjective way of trading, okay? A non-subjective way is very important because you want to be able to understand when the cards are on the table, when you have pocket kings, what are you going to do? Okay, so right here, guys, I have pocket kings. We went sideways for the morning, and then we started to break down. We also have a gap down right here, okay? So what am I going to do? I'm going to take my Fibonacci tool from the high to the low like this, and I'm going to double click, and I'm going to put on the basic setting, and I'm going to watch the 618 Fibonacci. That's all. My job is to first and foremost identify the direction in the morning and then have the discipline to understand that I will not take a trade unless the 618 Fibonacci is tagged, because the 618 Fibonacci is going to give me a 61.8% discount. Hit me with the 5 if that makes sense. So the first goal is to identify the direction, but the second goal is to have the discipline to wait for the 618. And if I cannot wait for the 618 Fibonacci, then I have no business in this market, because there's millions and millions of traders and institutions and hedge fund traders that have the discipline. So if you can't have the discipline to take these trades and to protect yourself and to manage your risk, then do not do this at all. Okay? You can make a lot of money. You can make millions and millions of dollars. But if you don't have the discipline to put yourself in a good position, then do not even bother. Okay? It's very important, guys. It's not for everybody. It's for the people that want to make the millions of dollars. If you want to make the millions of dollars, you have to be different than everybody else. You have to have the discipline that every other person does not have. Okay? So here we go. So I'm going to walk right here into the Fibonacci live setups today. So I'm doing voice. Okay. You could see I'm doing voice. People love voice. I'm doing a lot of voice, okay? I'm always trying to be the best teacher that I can be, okay? So here we go, guys. So we ended up going short at 10:48, okay? And then we hit the target at 11:06, 11:12, and 11:15. So in about 25 to hit multiple targets, okay? And this is the Fibonacci that we drew it up in the room together, and I'm going to draw it with you right now, okay? So here is the low of the day, and then again we're watching the 618. Okay, so we pulled back here slightly, so you move your anchor right here. Okay, so we got filled short. If we look at the Fibonacci bot, we got filled at 10:48 short. Look at this right here, guys. Be honest with yourself. On this green candle, you don't be right. Okay, hit me with a 7 if you agree with me. This green, look at this chart right here. This chart, look at these 2 green candles, and you have the hammer. You have 3 candles that's telling you what you're doing is wrong. You have a hammer, you have 2 big bullish bars, and it's saying, and you shorted right here on the 618. And you're saying, you know what? What am I doing? Like, this thing is gonna go up, right? But what about this? Bang. What about that? That's the trick, my friends. Always look to the left. The left is what gave me confidence in this play. Because if I look over here, I see the bear shorting. I went short right here on the 618. You can see the targets coming in, 1106, 1115, bang, bang, bang. The voice coming in, $1,687 in profit. Boom. Because I look to the left. Always look to the left, my friends. Okay. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is I did not take this last trade here, but later in the day, we had the bigger picture pullback. If we come from high to low like this, we had this bigger picture 618. This was in the afternoon. And my friends, this is the dragon right here. That's the dragon. Okay. So we had the dragon that played out in the afternoon as well. So I took my first trade over here and I shorted. I took my money, $1,600, 87, and I'm good. I don't need to take the second trade, but I wanted to show you guys that are hungry, that want to make a lot of money. There's a lot of opportunities for you guys. All right. So that's the lesson today. And in summary, always look to the left. Okay. So I'm going to be doing a $50 giveaway this Sunday. Please make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button. As always, guys, check me out at tradingwars.com. I want to have you in the community. I want to have you trading with us. I want to have you following the journey. I want to have you a part of my legacy, and I want to have you a part of the grind. Okay, the grind is what makes you who you are. Okay, you need to be in the grind in order to succeed. If you're not in the grind, guys, then what are you living for? All right, we're living for the grind. And when we come out of the grind, guys, we will be on top. Remember that. So this is what I'm going to do. Any one of my books right now, Fibonacci, okay, Spy book, any one of these books for the next 24 hours, it's $100. It normally comes with 1 month for free. I'm going to do 3 months for free. 3 months for free, guys. 3 months with the book, plus the charts, the indicators for life, everything. Okay. I want to see you with me on this grind. Whether we win or we lose, we did our best. And that's all I care about. And remember, in the last 2 days, I hit 7 times my money. And with 7 times, I can lose the next 7 trades. And if you're trading like that, guys, once you get on that good streak, nothing can hold you back. All right, guys? Or if you want to learn this book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci, this documents a huge journey that I've taken, guys. This is something like you've never seen before, my friends. Look at this right here, guys. $16,000 in profits over 46 trades. 22 winners and 24 losers. People will not admit that, but I will admit it because I'm still able to make money with a less than a 50% win rate because I know how to manage my risk. All right. Check me out, guys. Lifetime access if you buy this book in the Fibonacci Society. I want to thank you so much for your time. Guys, we're not where we used to be in terms of we're not on top. in the algorithm. We're not on top with the most viewers because what we're doing here, guys, is hard work. And with hard work comes big reward. And if you can't put in the work, don't expect the reward. That's the truth. And I can't. I wish, my friends, I wish that I can make everybody a millionaire overnight. But what I can do is teach you the skills for the rest of your life that you can teach your family and your friends. And we're gonna go for it no matter what. So thank you so much. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys on Sunday. I'm flying tomorrow, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. All right. Thank you so much, my friends. Take care.